What's going on, IG family? Michael G. Davis here at CEO Coach Mike. It's 8 o'clock. And it's Tuesday. You know what that means. Real estate out the box. So, no baseball practice today, so I'm in the garage, but we still got a little baseball work in, something that we do. But for those that may be seeing real estate out the box for the first time, it's something that I do every Tuesday where I present some non-traditional resources, programs that buyers and sellers can use when having a real estate need. So I'm going to showcase some products today. I do this. Hey, Kate the Realtor, how you doing? I do this because a lot of people feel like there's only one way to buy a house or sell a house or do real estate, that you have to be, it's in a box. So that's why I do this. So I'm going to present a program today. A lot of people don't know about. See, people feel like you need 20% down, you need 700 credit score, you need to be at one job for 2 years, right? They feel like you have to be a certain age. Like, it's a lot of misconceptions out here in the market that are not true. So let's talk about. I have some friends over at Envoy Mortgage. And they have a variety of non-QM loans. What's that mean? It means non-loans. QM stands for, what it is, I don't know what it stands for. But what it is when a lot of lenders give a loan, they sell it to what's called the secondary market. And for you to sell it to the secondary market, it has to fit certain parameters. And guess who determines those parameters? The secondary market. Well, when it's a non-QM loan, that means that they're not going to sell it to the secondary market. They're going to keep that loan. They're going to service that loan, meaning that they're going to get the mortgage payments and pay the escrow account, and they're going to keep it in-house. They're not going to give it to Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac or Ginnie Mae, which is the secondary market. Well, here are some non-QM loan products. Here's one. Bank statement program. What does that mean? That means that your taxes could be jacked up. That you are not using your tax returns. A lot of people feel like, oh man, if I didn't file my taxes, I can't buy a house. Not necessarily, right? Our friends, Ann Tran at Envoy, she has a a bank statement program. They have a 1099 income loan. What does that mean, Mike? That means you ain't got to have a W-2. You don't have to be You could be a self-employed. You could be a contract worker, and you can get a loan. That's what these are. So that's what I want us to focus on today. Clearly, you can see that they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different non-QM loan products, but the one that I want to emphasize today is the bank statement loan and the 1099 income loan. Right? So now, it goes all the way up to $2 million. Now, it says the minimum LTV is 90%. What does that mean? That means for this loan product, you're going to have to put 10% down. That's all that means. It says minimum FICO 680. What does that mean, Mike? That means you got to have a 680 credit score. Okay? Well, now, you can't come in here talking about I got a 500 credit score. I want to put 3% down, but I don't got my taxes. That ain't no, okay? It's like a seesaw. Like, if you good on, if you got your credit's real high, then you ain't gonna you got loan products out there where you ain't got to put money down. Like, if you got your credit high, your taxes, you do your taxes. Like, if you're a in a QM situation, you ain't got to pay 10% down, or you ain't got to have a higher credit score, right? If you got your taxes done. So that's what FICO is. It says DTI is 50%. All that means is that when it comes to all of your debts, based off of what they pull on your credit report, all of your debts, monthly payments have to be less than 50% of your total income. That's all debt to income ratio is, DTI. So the amount of money that you bring home, has to be more than 50% of your debts. That's all that is. And it says full documentation. Oh, no, I'm looking at the wrong one. 30-year fixed adjustable rate mortgage and 30-year fixed interest only. So you can even get an only interest only option for this product. See, you don't have to just fall with the misconceptions of credit score 700, 20% down. Got to turn your tax returns in. You ain't got to do none of that. Because they have loan products out here that can fit your situation. So today, just wanted to emphasize on the bank statement program, 1099 income program, which means that you don't have to be a wage earner, that you could be a contract worker. Look, maximum amounts go up to $3 million. You can get a loan for up to $3 million using this loan product. This one, you just only got to put 15% down. That's what 85% LTV means, that you're going to put 15% down, and then the bank's going to lend you 85%. FICO scores 680. Interest only option, right? If you go interest only, what does that mean, Mike? That just means that your monthly payment is going to be less, but you're not paying any principal. So you don't want to keep it interest only too long. It does say that you have a full documentation option as well. And DTI is the same as the other one. So this is the takeaway, people. You don't have to fall within the thoughts of the traditional financing route. There are options. There are other options in addition to what I've shown here with Envoy Mortgage. There are other banks that you can access, you can tap into to put you in a situation to where you can own a home today, right? All right. I'm going to be back on Thursday. Go live. If you have any questions, any comments, hit me in my DMs. If you want to talk more, you want to talk specifically about your situation, reach out to me, reach out to us, and we'll get you taken care of. With that being said, y'all enjoy the rest of your evening. This has been another Real Estate Out the Box. It's been my pleasure to showcase these alternatives to you all, put you in a position to where you too can buy a home, have the home of your dreams. All right, people, y'all have a great one. Bye.